Hello, Year 3. This is Tuesday's Maths Challenge. And today we've got a little game for you to play. So you could play this dice game on your own, or you could maybe play with someone in your house, or perhaps you could get an adult to set up you and your friend on a Zoom call because you could play this game over Zoom. So you're going to be using your multiplication skills again today. You need to find 3 dice to play with. If you can't find any dice, you could maybe use a dice rolling app on a tablet, or you can maybe make a dice from paper, or perhaps cut some paper into little squares, write the numbers 1 to 6 on them, and maybe pop them in a box so you can pull them out. So hopefully if you can't find any dice, there's lots of different ways you can get around that problem. So in this game, if you're with someone else, you're going to take it in turns to play, and you're going to roll all 3 dice at once, and then you're going to multiply the scores together. So for example, if you rolled a 5, a 3 and a 2, you're going to multiply 5 by 3 to get 15, and then multiply that number by 2 to get 30, and 30 would be your score. So you can choose methods to multiply the second 2 numbers. So if you do 5 times 3, most of you should be able to multiply that easily because you all know your 5 times tables, and lots of you now know your 3s as well. So 5 times 3 is 15, but 15 times 2 is a little bit trickier. So you might want to choose a variety of methods to solve that one. So you could partition by partitioning into 1, 10 and 5 ones, and then you can multiply the 10 by 2 and the 5 ones by 2 and then add them back together. You might want to practice the formal method a little bit more, so get yourself some squared paper and have a go at practicing that method. Maybe you want to have a go at doing it mentally in your head and practice your mental math skills. So it's up to you which way you choose to multiply those 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. When you've both had a go, see if you can work out who got the highest score. Does it make a difference what order you put the dice into? So if you had a 5, a 3 and a 2, we've just worked out 5 times 3 times 2. Does it make a difference if you mix those numbers up and we have maybe 2 times 5 times 3? Would you still get 30 or would you get something different? So have a go at playing around with that a little bit. Play 5 rounds, either on your own or with your friends or parents, and then add up each of your scores. So I got 30 for my first round. I would have 4 more goes and I would add up all 5 of my scores to see how many I got all together. You could make this game a little bit easier just by using 2 dice, and that would really help you with your times tables. Or you can make it really extra challenging by using 4 dice. So that would be an extra challenge, but maybe you've tried with 3 already and you think, right, I'm ready for an extra challenge. So lots of different things you can do with this game. So we hope you have fun today. You don't need to record it anywhere. You just need to play the game and have fun.